New Relic review, honest user experience and comprehensive insights for monitoring. If your business runs on apps or digital services, you already know how vital performance monitoring is. That's where New Relic comes in, a platform built to help developers and its teams see everything happening in real time. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Here's my honest review, after using it extensively. New Relic is one of the most comprehensive observability tools out there. It monitors everything from infrastructure performance to user experience and application errors all in one dashboard. The moment you log in, the interface feels detailed yet intuitive. Most people get this wrong. They think New Relic is just another analytics dashboard. But what makes it powerful is its ability to pinpoint the exact source of performance issues in seconds. During testing, it helped me detect database bottlenecks and even inefficient API calls that other tools completely missed. Its full-stack observability feature is a game changer. You can view metrics from cloud services, servers, containers, and end-user devices all in a single view. The platform also integrates smoothly with Azure and Google Cloud. The downside? It's not cheap. Pricing can scale up quickly for larger teams, but for businesses that rely on uptime and smooth digital experiences, the investment pays off in reduced downtime and improved customer satisfaction. Overall, New Relic is a powerhouse for anyone serious about system reliability. It's more than monitoring, it's peace of mind in the fast-paced world of modern software.